Good morning. It's Sunday, the 8th of February 2015. I will be making videos now because these videos I'm by myself. Yesterday I got the charger for the iPod, so it's working again. Every evening I review my day and I write out on a legal pad the things that I did that day and I bring them to my mind because I'm supposed to be working for God each hour, doing what God wants me to do. Like this morning, I already had breakfast. Now it's time to review my Saturday. I have 10 things about, yes. Number one, God gave me my charger for the iPod yesterday. I walked to Walgreens and it was $10 for the cord, $10 for the part that goes into the wall. So it would have been $20. Then I saw a church that had cakes for sale, and when I went there, there was a lady selling an iPod iPhone charger for $1. She mentioned that she had bought the wrong one. She was very nice. God turns mistakes into miracles for other people. In my wallet, by the way, when I was at Walgreens, and then I had $6. Two, or let me see what else. God will give me wood for my tiny home. So God gave me an iPod, a charger for my iPod, and the next thing that if he can do that, he'll probably give me wood for my tiny home. The reason I want to build a tiny shed is so that my son learns carpentry. I wouldn't mind living in it. Um, as one lady on YouTube said, tiny house, bigger life. All right, two, I entertained Mr. Vega yesterday. Well, let's see. He helped me. He listened to me. He told me about the way he built a deck on the back of his house made out of galvanized steel that was a quarter-inch thick, and the stairs were 4 foot across when he lived up in the north, probably New York somewhere. His skills are, besides carpentry, is welding. So it's nice to learn from other people. All things are possible with God. He told me how when he was little, he always enjoyed working, doing something. All right, so he's one of my teachers. Three. Oh, my new friend Tanya told me that I deserve the best. Thank you, Tanya Nunez. Thank you. It's very nice of you to say something so sweet. My grandpa used to say, para mí, lo mejor. Para los demás, lo mejor. The best for me, and for others, the best. Another lady, Mercy Boaz, told me that I deserve a wife that gives me hugs, kisses, and sits with me and loves me. I deserve love as much as you and everyone else. We all need love. That's why in the United States we have cats, dogs. In other countries, who knows? People have perhaps other people. But in the United States, it's difficult to have well, maybe it's difficult everywhere to have a loving people living with you. All right. My son was supposed to be here tomorrow. That was a highlight last night. Of course, someone overslept, so he's not here. Um, Either way, a particular person is being polite. All right, my dog Mimi will come tomorrow, but instead she went to grandma's. All right. 6. The clerk that works at Ace Hardware was polite and taught me about copper. One of the homework assignments I have for myself is to grab some salt water, boil it, make the steam rise through the copper pipe on the lid, and then the steam will become water again as it cools down and falls on a container. I would like to do that. 7. All went well on the bicycle today. 8. Again, I say this, Tanya Nunez was nice to me. 9. I cooked potatoes. I love the plantain's skin. I went shopping with my food stamps for the second time. The first time I bought potatoes, meat. This time I bought $10 worth of plantains, oranges, bananas, and instead I was gonna get honey. Honey is expensive. And now I do have the cash for it. Not cash, the food stamp. $194. $194 in food stamps is what I get every month. Uh, it's plenty of cash, but I'm making it stretch out. I have skipped over the cakes, ice cream, milk. All right, 10. My friend, is she my friend? Yes, many people are my friend. Mr. V's daughter, Sharisa, taught me about the buses and how I can go places. Number 21, number 22, number 23. Soon I'll be getting on the bus, God willing. I applied for the